Imagine we have a server. On this server, an application is running perfectly. Now a customer wants to access this application. They know the server's IP address, so the request reaches the server. But now comes the real problem. The server is not running just one application. It is running many applications at the same time. For example, a web application is running, a database is running, and SSH is also running. All these applications are using the same IP address. So how does the server know which application the customer wants to talk to? This is the problem. IP address tells us which server to reach, but it does not tell us which application on that server. This is where ports come in. A port is like a door number inside a building. The IP address is the building address, and the port number tells you which door to knock on. Each application listens on a specific port number. For example, a web application listens on port 80 or 443, SSH listens on port 22, and a database listens on port 3306. Now when a customer sends a request, it goes to the IP address plus the port number. Because of the port number, the server knows exactly which application should receive the request. So even though multiple applications run on the same server and same IP address, ports make sure the request reaches the correct application. So IP address is to find the server. Port is to find the application. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more DevOps tutorials and tech explanations.